Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will provide you the complete syllabus of the chemistry. Okay, so you have to study the chemistry in the first year. Okay, so I will provide you the complete syllabus of the chemistry. So actually, I have already uploaded the detailed syllabus of the mathematics. What are the topics that you have studied? What are the books that you have to follow? I have already given that some of the important tips to get good marks in that particular subjects. Okay, so I have already uploaded the two subjects, that is the mathematics, and later I have uploaded the physics. Okay, so now in context to that, in this video I will provide you the complete syllabus of the chemistry. Okay, so for the kind information, let me know you that you have to study chemistry, means for the CSE IT student you have to study chemistry in the second semester, and for the other branches means accepting CSC, that is the if you are belonging to EC, अगर आप भाई EC से belong करते हैं, मैकेनिकल, ट्रिपल ई, double E, electrical engineering, and any branches you are belonging to that, then you have to study the chemistry. Okay, so syllabus will be same for either you are belonging to the means CSE IT or belonging to other branches, because I have already said that syllabus is completely same for the first year. Okay, so I will give you the complete syllabus of chemistry. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important video, क्योंकि भाई आप लोग के लिए बहुत ही important content मैं provide कर रहा हूँ. In coming day 2 I have many plan. Okay, actually I have already uploaded the video about the syllabus for the means complete syllabus for the first year, how to deal with the lab subjects का भाई syllabus मैं upload कर चुका हूँ, how to start coding I have already shared some of the website. So various important content will be providing coming day 2. So भाई आप लोग का बस चैनल को सपोर्ट करते रहें, so that I will be motivated and I will provide such important video in a continuous manner. Okay, so मूव करते अपना वीडियो की ओर. So as I've said that I will talk about the syllabus of the chemistry. Okay, so भाई जिन लोग को लगा था भाई chemistry पढ़ना नहीं है, okay, so actually syllabus is completely almost same as whatever the thing that you have studied in the class 11th 12th. जो भाई आप 11th 12th में जो पढ़े हैं syllabus completely same है, no any changes. Okay, there must means only 10 to 20% changes है भाई. अगर आपका 11th 12th बहुत बढ़िया है, then you will face no any problem. And 11 मैं तो कहूँगा भाई 11 12 से भी हल्का सिलेबस है इन द फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर और इन द सेकंड सेमेस्टर. ओके, बात करते हैं हमारे सिलेबस. ओके, सो as you said that this is actually the syllabus for the MAKAUT. Okay, and actually this syllabus is applicable to almost all the means all the university का भाई लगभग syllabus same होता है. There must be slight changes. Okay, and giving you the topics. So what are the topics that you have studied for the chemistry? Okay, so these are the topics that you have studied. Course code, that is BSCH101, BSCH101 for the first semester and BSCH201 for the second semester. मैं already बताया था. One means first semester, two second semester. Okay, means for the first semester, that is the except CSEIT you have to study the chemistry, and for the second semester only for the CSEIT you have to study the chemistry. Okay? Course title name chemistry 1. You will have the 3 lecture per week, and category that is basic science courses semester first second. Okay, credit point by 4. Now giving you the detailed content. So what is the topics that you have to study? First is the atomic and molecular structure. I think that you have already gone through the atomic and molecular structure, that what is the atom, smallest part of the elements. Okay, and molecular structure you already gone through the various molecular structure, so you have to study that again. And 10 lectures will be provided that. Okay, again भाई आपका हो सकता है कि 12 lecture 13 lecture हो सकता है, depending on the pace of the your syllabus and all things. बात करते हैं what are the subjects topics that you have to study. तो Schrödinger equation, particle in a box, solution and their application for the simple sample. Then the molecular orbital of the diatomic molecules. I think that you have already gone through the orbital. Okay, then energy level diagram. Okay, that is very very important in context to board semester exam too. So energy level energy level diagram is very very important, so you must be careful there guys. Okay, then भाई आपको पढ़ना है pi molecular orbital of butadiene and benzene and aromaticity. I think that you already gone in the class 11 12th. Then आपको पढ़ना भाई crystal field theory CFT and the energy level diagram for the transition metal ion and their magnetic property. Okay, so you have to study the magnetic properties too. Then भाई आपको पढ़ना band structure of solid and the role of doping on band structure. Okay, so doping का क्या रोल होता है वो सब पढ़ना है आपको. Then you have to study the spectroscopic technique. Okay, मैं भाई ये सिलेबस आपको ये बता रहा हूँ ताकि आपको ओवरव्यू मिल जाए कि क्या क्या हमको पढ़ना है एक्चुअली. Okay, so you will face no any problem in your when you will go to attend the class in offline mode. जब भाई आप क्लास को अटेंड करेंगे then आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, इसलिए मैं इसका ये सब टॉपिक बता सकता हूँ. You can also revise that because that will help you in गेटिंग गुड मार्क्स, ओके, एंड गेटिंग योर बूस्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस, क्योंकि भाई स्टार्टिंग में आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाना बहुत ही जरूरी है। सो ये सब अगर टॉपिक को आप हल्का भी रिवाइज कर लेंगे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू रिवाइज इन डिटेल वे, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर देख लेंगे देन दैट विल रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, ओके भाई। अगर क्लास में बनना अच्छा लड़का तो फिर आपको तो ये अच्छा आएगा होगा। देन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक एंड सिलेक्शन रूल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, फ्लोरेसेंस एंड इन एप्लीकेशन मेडिसिन, वाइब्रेशनल एंड रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी ऑफ डायनामिक मॉलिक्यूल एप्लीकेशन, देन न्यूक्लियर मैग्नेटिक रेजोनेंस, भाई रेजोनेंस भी आपको पढ़ना है, मैग्नेटिक रेजोनेंस इमेजिंग MRI, ओके, देन सरफेस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स technique and diffraction and scattering. So these are the topics that you have to study for the spectroscopic technique. Then next chapter, that is the intermolecular forces of potential energy surface, that you have been provided 4 lectures. भाई syllabus इसका थोड़ा छोटा है, okay. So what you have to study, the ionic, dipolar and van der Waals interaction. I think very good one in class 12th. Then भाई equation of states of real gas and critical phenomena. So real gas का भाई जितना आप 12th में पढ़े उससे बहुत कम ही है, okay. मैं again कर रहा हूँ भाई, if you have gone through very well in the class 11 12th, अगर 11 12 में भाई आपका बहुत अच्छा है, then you feel completely bored, अरे भाई फिर से मुझे वही पढ़ना पड़ रहा है, means but that will be good for you because you can invest that valuable time on the coding and other things, okay. Then भाई next अपना use of free energy in chemical equilibrium, first and second law of thermodynamics, you have already gone through that, first law, second law, okay, means that is basically relation between the work and all other things. Then the thermodynamics, function energy, entropy and free energy, estimation of entropy and free engine, free energy and EMF, cell potential, the Nernst equation, very very important. I think that you have already gone through in the class 12th. Then acid base भाई आप already gone through that substance which release H plus and that substance which release OH minus and that is the base. Then oxidation reduction reaction पढ़ना भाई, solubility equilibria, then water chemistry, corrosion very very important, means corrosion basically you can say a property by which material basically corroded and especially this is related to the iron. Then भाई आपको पढ़ना use of free energy consideration, okay, and these are the for the and very very important Elingham diagram that you will already gone through in class 11th. Then भाई आपका फिफ्थ टॉपिक है periodic properties, very very important, that is the effective nuclear charge, ENC, potential of orbit, variation of SPDF, orbital energy, okay. So you have to study the orbital energy of SPDF, very very short things, okay. Then you have to study periodic table, electronic configuration by, then atomic and ionic sizes, ionization energy, electronic affinity, electronegativity, polarizability, oxidation states, okay. I think that you already know how to find the oxidation state of various element. Then आपको पढ़ना भाई coordination number and geometries, hard soft acid and base molecular geometry, okay. So these are the topics for the periodic properties, okay. और गाइस आपको बता दूं कि ये सब जो टॉपिक है आपको मीन्स ध्यान से पढ़ना है, बिकॉज स्पेशली दिस पार्ट दैट इज द इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज हो गया भाई, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एंड द आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन कंटेक्स्ट टू द सेमेस्टर एग्जाम. सो भाई आपको ये ध्यान रखना होगा एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुली. कोई भी डाउट होगा भाई आप आइदर मीन्स यू वांट द नोट्स देन यू कैन पर्सनली कमेंट हियर, आई विल प्रोवाइड द नोट्स टू, ओके. अगर भाई आप लोग का रिस्पॉन्स भी अच्छा रहेगा, नहीं आप लोग वीडियो को अच्छा से लाइक करेंगे देन सपोर्ट करेंगे, देन आई विल प्रोवाइड द नोट्स फॉर ऑल, ओके गाइस. सो आप लोग हमें सपोर्ट करते रहे, ओके. वीडियो अच्छा अगर भाई तो लाइक कर दे ताकि इस तरह का वीडियो आगे भी प्रोवाइड करता रहा हूँ. देन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज द स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Then what you have to study in stereochemistry, just small part, that is the representation of three-dimensional structure, structural isomer, stereomerism, configurational symmetry, and chirality of the center. Okay, then enantiomer, diastereomer, optical activity, absolute configuration and conformational analysis, and isomerism, international metal compound. So these are the topic you have to study for the stereochemistry. Move करते अपना guys next. So what you have to study next? So that is the last topic. So what is the last topic? That is the organic reaction and synthesis of a drug molecule. ये भाई कोई मीन्स बहुत small chapter है. So what you have to study here? Introduction to reaction involving substitution, addition, elimination reaction, substitution reaction, oxidation, reduction, cyclic and ring opening. Okay, then synthesis of a commonly used drug molecule. Means basically आपको अगर ये सब I think that this was the topic for the NCERT. तो मैं एक और सजेशन करूँगा भाई, यार आपका पास क्लास 11th या 12th का NCERT बुक है स्पेशली द केमिस्ट्री, देन यू मस्ट हैव दैट बुक. आप भाई वो बुक घर से लेकर आएँ, ओके, एंड दैट विल रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, क्योंकि वो सब आप देख लेंगे देन आपका बेसिक क्लियर हो जाएगा, ओके. So guys, this is all the complete syllabus for the chemistry. Now what will the course outcome? So you will able to analyze the microscopic chemistry in terms of atomic and molecular structure, rationalize bulk property and processing thermodynamic consideration. Then भाई आप distinguish कर सकते हैं electromagnetic spectrum में क्या होता है, okay. Then rationalize periodic properties of ionization potential and list of major chemical reactions that are used for the synthesis of molecule. So these are the course outcome. Means आपने course से क्या सीखा तो ये सब आप सीख जाएंगे after studying that. Now very very important, that is the book. So what are the books that you have to follow? Okay, so learning resources, these are the resources. So if you want the online, then you can go directly through http://bcs/whffreeman.com and you can get clearly this book in the online. Okay, next important book, that is the engineering chemistry, Satyaprakash Khanna book publishing, Delhi. Then University of Chemistry by B.H. Mahan, very important book. Okay, so अगर आप भाई मैं बुक लेना चाहते हैं, then I will suggest that this book very important. Then Chemistry Principle and Application by M.G. Cinco and R.A. Pellen. Then Fundamental of Molecular Spectroscopy by C.N. Banwell, a good author. Then Engineering Chemistry NPTEL web books आप कर सकते हैं भाई, by B.L. Tembe and all things. Physical Chemistry by P.W. Atkins, Spectroscopy of Organic Compound by P.S. Kalsi, New Age International Private Limited. और वही देन फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री, आप ये भी ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. आई विल सजेस्ट दैट दीज टू बुक्स. ओके, आप बुक नंबर 2 and 8 आप ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री, पीसी रक्षात सेरात बुक हाउस. ओके, सो गाइस दिस इज ऑल द बुक्स दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो. एंड अगेन कर रहा हूँ भाई, नो नीड टू परचेज बुक, यू विल गेट ऑल दीज बुक्स इन द लाइब्रेरी. ओके, एंड दैट इज सफिशिएंट टू गेट द गुड मार्क्स. ओके, सो गाइस दिस इज ऑल द कंप्लीट सिलेबस फॉर दैट. आई होप दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू यू. भाई अगर वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप हमें को सपोर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि आने वाले दिनों में भाई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट आने वाला, सच एज हाउ टू स्टार्ट मीन्स हाउ टू राइट द कोड, हाउ टू यूज द फ्री कैट. सो मैं फ्री कैट के बारे में बताऊंगा, देन हाउ टू यूज द मकआउट वेबसाइट एंड ऑल थिंग्स. ओके, सो इन कमिंग डे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो विल बी कमिंग, सो मेक श्योर टू सपोर्ट माय चैनल गाइस. सो फिलहाल वीडियो में इतना ही था गाइस. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन आप फ्रेंड को भी शेयर करें, सो दे कैन ऑल्सो गेट रियली बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम यू, एंड हमारे चैनल को सपोर्ट करते रहें. सो टिल देन बाय बाय, मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. जय हिंद.